Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Kenmore refrigerator parts is probably one of the most essential components to keep your appliance running smoothly, ensuring your food stays fresh and your kitchen operates without a hitch. And today we're diving deep into what makes a part truly stand out, helping you make informed decisions to extend the life and efficiency of your beloved Kenmore refrigerator. Number 5. AQUA CREST EDR3 RXD1 Refrigerator Water Filter, 3 filters. Experience excellent filtration performance that stands on par with the original brand. Our filter is certified by NSF 42 and 372 for your peace of mind. Unlike generic brands, this filter uses 100% superior coconut shell carbon block. It effectively removes various impurities from your water, ensuring a cleaner taste. Enjoy a perfect fit thanks to precise production technology. Installation is a simple DIY process that takes only a few minutes, just like the original. This filter comes with helpful stickers to mark your installation date. You can worry less about overuse and enjoy up to 6 months or 300 gallons of pure tasting water. It can reduce a wide range of harmful substances, including suspended particles, copper, VOCs, THM, chromium, and chlorine. This has been verified by an independent third-party laboratory. We use an upgraded coconut shell carbon block with a larger surface area and more micropores. This increases filtration efficiency, eliminating impurities like bad taste, odor, sediments, and heavy metals. This filter is made with BPA-free and food-grade materials. It's certified lead-free by NSF 372, ensuring it's safe for your drinking water. What we like? If you're looking for a water filter that offers excellent filtration performance comparable to the original brand, this is a great choice. It utilizes a superior coconut shell carbon block and is NSF certified for safety. The included date stickers make it easy to track replacements, ensuring you always have pure tasting water. What people say. The part was an exact fit for my refrigerator. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The refrigerator is now cooling properly again. Number 4. AMI Parts Refrigerator Door Handle, 2-pack. This refrigerator door handle is crafted from improved, high-quality ABS material with a shiny surface. It's very sturdy, resistant to damage, and ensures screws stay securely in place, giving your appliance a fresh look. Measuring approximately 17 inches long, this replacement handle is designed for easy installation with just a screwdriver. It facilitates the smooth opening and closing of your refrigerator door. This part is designed to replace several original model numbers, including 53045064669 and 242059501. If you're unsure about compatibility, please check your model number and user manual, or contact us for assistance. It is compatible with many refrigerator models, including those starting with series like CFHT18, FFHI18, and LFHT21. You can use Ctrl+F on our page to search for your specific model number. We offer a 365-day return and exchange policy for your peace of mind. Our professional after-sales team is ready to assist you with any questions within 24 hours. What we like? If your refrigerator door handle is damaged or looks worn out, this 2-pack replacement is an excellent option. Constructed from improved high-quality ABS material with a shiny surface, it's sturdy and resistant to damage. It's designed for easy installation and will give your refrigerator a fresh appearance. What people say. This part was a perfect fit for my Kenmore refrigerator model. The installation was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. It resolved the issue of the refrigerator not cooling properly. Number 3. AMI Parts Refrigerator Pan Hangers. This essential pack includes both left and right refrigerator pan hangers. They are engineered for broad compatibility, perfectly fitting many refrigerator models from popular brands. Crafted from high-density, solid plastic, these drawer slide rails are built to endure daily wear and tear. Their robust design ensures smooth, quiet drawer operation, preventing drawers from getting stuck. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in 5 minutes or less. Simply remove the old hanger, position the new one, and secure it with the screw. Your drawer will be working like new again. Replace cracked or broken hangers to resolve common refrigerator issues. This set ensures safe operation, helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency, and extends the life of your appliance. We offer a 365-day return and exchange policy. Our professional after-sales team is ready to assist you with any questions, ensuring your refrigerator problems are solved easily. What we like. If your refrigerator drawers are sticking, making jarring noises, or have dropped, these pan hangers are the solution. Made from high-density, solid plastic, they ensure smooth and quiet drawer operation. The easy DIY installation means you can restore your refrigerator's function in minutes. What people say. The ice maker works great and is easy to install. This part was a perfect fit for my refrigerator and it works as expected. Number 2. AMI Parts LG Refrigerator Shelf Replacement. This replacement shelf bin is designed for a perfect fit in the top right door of your refrigerator. Please verify the dimensions before purchasing to ensure compatibility. It is compatible with a variety of bottom-mount refrigerator models, including those listed. Please check the model numbers to confirm it's the right part for your appliance. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this replacement part meets OEM standards. It's built for lasting performance and is more durable than standard plastic, easily holding heavy items like a gallon of milk. This shelf bin is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including AP 5673810 and EAD 61445219. This ensures a seamless fit with your existing refrigerator. We stand behind the quality of our replacement parts with a lifetime return and exchange policy. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. If you need to replace a specific door bin on the right side of your LG or Kenmore refrigerator, this part offers lasting performance. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials that meet OEM standards, it's durable and can easily hold a gallon of milk. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable storage. What people say. This refrigerator is very spacious and has a lot of room for groceries. The water dispenser is convenient and easy to use. I love the sleek design of this refrigerator. It looks great in my kitchen. Number 1. AMI Parts Refrigerator Door Bin Right. Introducing the AMI Parts Refrigerator Door Bin Right, a perfect replacement for your LG or Kenmore Elite refrigerator. This bin is designed to fit seamlessly, restoring your refrigerator's storage capacity. This door bin is engineered as a direct replacement for specific LG LFX series and Kenmore Elite 7957 series refrigerators. Please check the model compatibility to ensure a perfect fit for your appliance. Before purchasing, please verify that the bayonet shape on your refrigerator shelf is a 7 shape. It measures 13 to 25 inches wide, 9 to 13 inches deep on the left, 10 inches deep on the right, and 4 to 13 inches tall. Crafted from high-quality, non-polluting, and hygienic materials, this replacement bin ensures safe and reliable storage for your food items. It's built for durability and long-lasting performance. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process that saves you time and money. This bin is designed for easy setup, quickly restoring the functionality of your refrigerator door. The durable construction guarantees reliable storage capacity for all your refrigerator door items. You can trust it to hold your groceries securely for years to come. What we like. If you're looking for a replacement door bin for your LG or Kenmore Elite refrigerator and need to ensure a precise fit, this is a strong contender. It's made from hygienic materials and is easy to install, saving you time and money. Crucially, it features a specific 7-shape bayonet, so be sure to check if this matches your refrigerator's design for optimal compatibility. What people say. This refrigerator is very spacious and has a lot of room for groceries. The stainless steel finish is beautiful and easy to clean. I love the adjustable shelves, they make it easy to organize my food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.